In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time in Windows 10. Whether your clock is slightly off, you've traveled to a different time zone, or you just want to double-check your settings. Adjusting the date and time in Windows 10 is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer as we go. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen, on the taskbar. You should see the current time and date displayed there. Go ahead and move your mouse over that area, then right-click on the time. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Adjust Date Time. This will open the Date and Time settings window, which is where we'll make all our changes. In the Date and Time settings, you'll see an option that says Set Time Automatically. If this is turned on, Windows will try to keep your clock updated using the internet. If your time is wrong and this option is on, you can either turn it off to set the time manually, or click the button that says Sync Now if it's available, to refresh the time from Microsoft servers. If you want full control over your date and time, switch Set Time Automatically to Off. Once that's off, you'll notice that the Set the Date and Time Manually section becomes active, and you'll see a button labeled Change. Click on Change, and a small window will pop up that lets you adjust both the date and the time. Here, you can click on the Date field to pick the correct day, month, and year from the calendar. Then move down to the Time fields and type in the correct hour, minutes, and if needed, adjust AM or PM depending on your region. Take a moment to make sure everything is accurate, then click Change at the bottom of that window to save your settings. Back in the main Date and Time settings page, you'll also see a drop-down menu for Time Zone. Open that menu and choose the correct time zone for your location. This is important because even if your clock looks right now, the wrong time zone can cause issues with apps, calendars, and scheduled tasks. Once you've adjusted the date, time, and time zone, glance back down at the clock on your taskbar to confirm it's showing correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the date and time in Windows 10.